Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Maggi here, and now we are going to discuss about the PN junction diode. So PN junction diode used in the two types. First one is forward bias and second one is reverse bias. Okay, so PN junction diode used as in two types, forward biased and reverse bias. Okay. First of all, what is the forward bias? So whenever P end connected to the positive terminal of the cell, then this type of combination works as a forward bias, and in this condition current will flow in the milliampere order. So let me discuss here. This is the PN junction diode. This is P and this is N region. Okay. And this is thickness of the depletion layer. Here H and here electrons. So whenever its positive end attached to the P end attached to the positive terminal of the cell and N through the negative terminal of the cell, so it works as forward bias. ओके, सो देखिएगा जब इसको हम ऐसे अटैच कर देते हैं तो डिप्लेशन लेयर का जो रीजन होता है वो क्या हो जाता है, डिक्रीज कर जाती है. ये डिप्लेशन लेयर मींस जब हम इसको इस तरह से अटैच कर देंगे तो W डैश लेस देन W मींस जो थिकनेस होती है डिप्लेशन लेयर की दैट विल डिक्रीजेस. ओके, सो व्हेनेवर P end of the PN junction diode attached to the positive and N attached to the negative terminal of the cell, then this combination works as a forward bias of PN junction diode, and in this process current will flow in the milliampere order because of here thickness of this depletion layer will decrease in the comparison of before condition. So W dash is less than W. तो ऐसा होता है तो क्या सिचुएशन रही होगी, तो देखिएगा ये था पोटेंशियल बैरियर V0, ये इसकी पहली कंडीशन थी. बट जैसे ही हम इसको किसी एक्सटर्नल बायसिंग से ऐसे कनेक्ट कर दिया, सो इसमें जो थिकनेस में जो पोटेंशियल बैरियर था वो इतना अमाउंट डिक्रीज कर जाएगा. इट मीन अब जो पोटेंशियल बैरियर था यानी जो इलेक्ट्रॉन और होल्स के फ्लो को रोक रहा था वो वैल्यू डिक्रीज कर गई. इट मींस द थिकनेस ऑफ डिप्लेशन लेयर विल डिक्रीजेज, यानी जो ये डिप्लेशन लेयर की थिकनेस थी वो डिक्रीज कर जाएगी, और जब वो डिक्रीज कर जाएगी तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और होल्स का ट्रांसमिशन क्या हो जाएगा, ज्यादा हो जाएगा. तो इस वजह से इसमें करंट का फ्लो होता है मिली एम्पियर ऑर्डर में. तो कैसे, इसका देखिएगा ये सर्किट डायग्राम होगा. दिस इज वोल्टमीटर and this is a PN junction diode here, and this is a milliampere current. यहाँ पर milliampere order में flow होता है. This is a switch. Okay, so in this way it attached to any source or cell, that is the in this way. Okay, so in this way it attached in the circuit diagram of this PN junction diode as a forward bias. So here current will flow in the milliampere order. So this is voltage and this is current, in MA order, milliampere order, and it will flow just like 0.0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. So it will flow like this. And for you know that for silicon semiconductors, its value is voltage where it starts their operation like 0.6 volt. Okay, so this is the graph between I and V. So again, this is the PN junction diode. Whenever P end attached to the positive terminal and N end attached to the negative terminal of the cell, then this PN junction diode works as the forward bias, and here current will flow in the milliampere order. Because of due to this reason, the potential barrier means the value of potential barrier will decreases in this way. So due to this, the thickness of this depletion layer will decrease. W dash is less than W. This is the circuit diagram, and this is the curve between I and V. So now, whenever it works, it operates in the reverse bias. So whenever PN junction diode works in the reverse bias, so P end attached to the negative terminal and N end attached to the positive terminal. Okay, so due to this, is the thickness of this layer be increases. Like this is the W dash. ओके, ये इंक्रीज हो जाती है इस तरीके से, W डैश ग्रेटर देन W. ओके, मींस इसका प्रोसेस कुछ इस तरह हो जाएगा, क्योंकि थिकनेस अब ये जो हो जाएगी, इट मींस वैल्यू ऑफ पोटेंशियल बैरियर भी इंक्रीजेज लाइक दिस. इट मींस यहाँ पर कुछ वैल्यू इसकी इंक्रीज कर जाएगी, तो टोटल जो वैल्यू हो जाएगी V0 प्लस V0 डैश हो जाएगी. इट मींस थिकनेस ऑफ दिस डिप्लेशन लेयर विल बी increases, and this is the circuit diagram where the current will flow in microampere because it connects through the opposite terminal like this. So here the graph between this is like this. Current is microampere order. It means this is the negligible current. Okay, so this is the curve. So whenever PN junction diode works in the reverse bias, then its P terminal connected through the negative terminal and N end connected through the positive terminal of the cell, and in this process current will flow in the microampere order, and this process work in this way. This PN junction diode works in the reverse bias. Here the increasing, due to the increasing of this value of potential barrier, its thickness भी increases, W dash greater than W. अब यहाँ पर ये greater हो जाएगी, and this due to this reason here current will flow in the microampere order or negligible current flow in this circuit or no current flow in the circuit. So simply we can say that whenever PN junction diode used as a forward bias, then current will flow or current will flow in the milliampere order, and whenever it used as a reverse bias, then the current will no flow or current will flow in the order of microampere or negligible current or no current will flow in this condition. This is the curve for the PN junction diode. Whenever it used as the reverse bias, then the curve between potential and current.